Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to secure your access by setting a PIN number to the My Calendar period tracker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the settings button down below in the right side corner of the screen, scroll down to the personal section and tap on the second button, secure access. Tap on this button on the right side, PIN, so set up a PIN number, type it in, confirm it by typing it again, and then it will be set automatically. You should type in your email first and click on the save button, so this email address will be used when you forget your PIN number. So if you would like to change it, just come to this section and change it. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.